Hello everyone, today we're going to make an easy breakfast pancake. Take 3 to 4 bananas, put it in a blender. We're going to add 300 grams of wheat flour. We're going to blend them all together. So we're going to add about 200 milliliters of milk. Going to also add 3 tablespoons of sugar, but if you don't want it sweetened, you can always skip this step. Also adding 5 grams of baking soda. Then we're going to blend them all together and pour it into another bowl, and we're going to let it sit there for 10 minutes so the baking soda can do its magic. Now heat up a pan and pour the mixture how you would make a pancake. We're going to let it cook one side and flip them over and cook the other side. This is an easy and quick recipe if you have any leftover ripe banana which you don't want to waste. So you can use this. You can have it for snacking, breakfast or lunch, whatever is easy. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe to my channel.